When Checkpoint's email security solution is installed, how far back does it go to kind of learn what is happening? And while it's learning, based on that data, if it detects an anomaly or malicious content, does it actually bring it to the attention of the administrator for remediation?
After a couple of hours of the integration, we start seeing different events. It will depend also the amount of emails, because we are checking the last 14 days.
Last 14, okay.
Yeah, so it will be different to check 1,000 emails on a company that has 100,000 emails, so it will take more time. But normally after 2 hours, we are going to see different events in the portal.
Okay, so it does go back and check 14 days, and if it finds anything, it will let the administrator know.
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, great.